Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, Taurus placements. Yes, again. Oo, short lang na love reading about a person na iniisip mo. Okay, no opening spiel. So, let's start the reading. Again, kung may mga tanong po, message na lang kayo sa akin pong FB page for more info. So, kailangan lang natin itong magawa ng mabilis ngayon. So, Taurus, okay, the Page of Pentacles Universe. Some of you, meron ditong hindi nag-grow or hindi nagkaroon ng leveling up or stepping up sa situation. So, sino ba to, Taurus? Anong meron sa kanya? The Magician in reversed. Pwedeng Virgo. Ten of Swords in reverse. Some of you, you're in no contact. May nag-end. Still, andyan pa rin yung unfinished business. So, anong meron? Anong kailangan mong malaman sa situation, Taurus? Some of them, they're throwing you evil eye. Yeah. Hindi ko sasantabi yun kasi meron. Okay? So, Knight of Pentacles in reverse. Pagmamatigas to, Knight of Pentacles in reverse and the Six of Swords in reverse. Matigasan, Taurus. Four of Swords, yeah, you're not talking them or you're not maybe communicating, with this person. So, no contact, radio silence ang sinasabi, parang ganyan. Okay. Kung anong kailangan mong malaman dito, sabihin nating siguro yung pagmamatigas or patigasan na ginagawa ninyo sa isa't isa is hindi makakatulong. Okay, hindi po makakatulong, hindi makakapag-fix ng mga kailangan ma-fix dito. Okay, so lahat, kasi there's this issue, the Magician in reverse, the Ten of Swords in reverse, that's a big issue. Okay, kailangan ng magandang sagot dito, kailangan ng paliwanag, magandang usapan, like that, pero hindi nangyayari. Kung ito ay patigasan, pauyuhan, sa mga dapat gawin at mga dapat sabihin, walang mangyayari dito. Opo. Okay, so ano bang emotion ito for you, Taurus? What is their emotion? Right now. Like right now. Emotion niya for you, Taurus. The Nine of Swords, yeah. See, they're stressed. Lalo na kung yun nga, hindi kayo nag-uusap. They're crying over this. Hindi na nakakatulog ng maganda. Iniisip nila ng iniisip, ikaw. Okay? The Five of Pentacles. Yeah, may kailangan tong taong to sa'yo. Yun nga lang. Yeah, Seven of Wands. There's this tension. The Emperor is in the reverse. So, meaning to say, sabihin natin, andun yung rason na parang kaimaturan kaya hindi totally ginagawa yung mga dapat gawin. Or maybe hindi ready. Okay, na i-face kung ano mga dapat i-face dito. Pasensya na sa boses ko, nawawala. Okay, so yun. They're wanting you, they're longing for you, they need you. Yeah. So, what is their next action? Will they reach out? Kakausapin ka na ba? Yeah. Andun yung tension or block sa isa't isa siguro. The Emperor. Ooh, stepping up. Kanina naka-reverse po yun, So, ngayon nag-upright na siya. So, Emperor, their next action is the Emperor. So, that's stepping up. Eight of Cups, yeah. Okay. So, ito hindi pa rin talaga mawawala yung patigasan dito, pride mo, ego, mga ganyang bagay. Strength is here in reverse. Nine of Wands. Sabihin natin, andun yung takot kasi rin ng taong to. Andun yung pagpaplano. Sa totoo lang. Pagpaplano niya, na kumontak maybe or gumawa ng action towards you, pero the Eight of Cups is here. Talagang bahagang buntot. Yeah, the Star. So, siguro pakakalmahin niya muna yung sitwasyon kasi there's tension here. Mainit. Okay? Mainit pa ang sitwasyon. Marami pang issue. So, pinaghahandaan ng taong to. Kung ano man ang mga gagawin, kung ano man mga sasabihin niya sa'yo. This is stepping up in general. Okay? So, ano bang tingin niya sa'yo? Anong tingin ng taong to sa'yo para makita natin? Energy. Anong tingin niya sa'yo, Taurus? Page of Cups. Kailangan niya mag-sorry sa'yo. Kailangan niya mag-sorry. Yes. Yeah, the moon. Yun nga lang hindi niya alam kung available ka pa or tama ba na mag-sorry. They're confused. Some of you, you're mirroring each other talaga. Mirroring. Kung hindi ka nakikipag-usap, hindi rin sila makikipag-usap. Yeah. Alam ng taong to marami siyang kailangang sabihin sa'yo. Ganon rin, ang tingin niya sa'yo. Marami kang gustong sabihin pagdating sa kanya. Tingin niya yun. Okay, yun ang tingin. Pero nandyan yung healthy boundaries nga. The Ace of Pentacles in reverse. Let's see. Andun yung pa-mysterious eh. Mysterious effect. Parang mga ganyan. Tingnan natin. Kung itong taong to ay bago, gusto ka, hindi sila ganun ka tapang na gumawa ng action. Maybe some of them is affected pa sa mga pinagdaan ng mga connection. Okay, takot ma-reject, takot layasan, mga ganyang bagay. They're not healed. Okay, kung bago to. So, let's see what is your outcome. Outcome/advice. This is timeless. Oo. Gawin nating timeless. Okay. Temperance in reverse. Okay. So, nakakainit na ng ulo to. Being impatient. The Hermit. No contact. Still. So, kung aasa ka ngayon, kunyari, napanood mo to, kahit anong oras, kahit anong araw, ang outcome is, yun pa rin, no contact, pero hindi na kinakaya Opo, meron ditong hindi nakakayanin yung silence na nangyayari sa ngayon. Okay, somebody will make their first move or will make kung ano man ang kailangan gawing action. Okay, yeah, the Knight of Cups is here. Ito yung kanina. Page of Pentacles. So, pwedeng yun nga, meron ditong napepending. So, maybe, kaya napepending, pwede kasing pinaghahandaan lang ding maigi. Parang ganun. Hindi lang handa rin siguro sa mga sasabihin or what. Okay? So, yeah. Tingnan natin, Aries through Pisces for you, Taurus. Let's see, Taurus placements. Okay, Aries, they're open. Decisions is nandito rin. Taurus, cutting off cycles. I think may gagawa ng action para may mag-end na cycle. Gemini, there's imbalance. No, I think some of you, itong si Gemini is gumagawa ng something like infidelity. Okay, there's like energy of cheating. Cancer, they want to know you more, I think. Leo, they miss you. Virgo, they're unhappy. Yeah, feeling incomplete. Libra, they want you. Some of you, there's this Libra na pwedeng kasal na or alam niyang kasal ka, they like you. Scorpio, they're invested. Focus is on you. Parang ganyan. Sagittarius, they like your attention, they like you. They want control. So, Capricorn, they're sad. Longing for you, craving for you. They're sad. Aquarius, wanting. Some of them, nakakita sila ng ng sabihin nating long term in general pagdating sa inyong dalawa. Yeah. They like you physically. There's interest. Okay? Attraction. Big time. Pisces. They're afraid. They're afraid. I don't know kung bakit. So, nandyan yung parang feeling intimidated. Okay, itong si Pisces. So, there. Yeah, yun ang aking reading for you. Taurus placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye!